we're actually replacing the factory arms with the upgraded Toge factory arms. And this nice little look at them. Solid billet aluminum, nice solid heavy-duty Aurora bearings, and then machined bushings and for the mounting location of the arms. And so what we're doing here right now is just figuring out what all has to be done to get these bushings to sit in this pocket correctly. So this flange here needs to sit in this recess. So it needs to sit inside this circle here. And Vanderhall can at times weld these incorrectly alignment-wise, or they can leave a little bit too much welding material, which is what is stopping this one from going in. So if you want to get in here real quick, we've got a little bit of welding slag up here, which is preventing our bushing from going in. So we're going to get rid of that, and then we're going to see where our bushing lines up here in the center of the pocket. So if I show you the other side, I can show you how we cleaned this side up. All right, so this side, we've just finished doing a little bit of grinding here. Now I've opened up this opening here because on this side, this ring was welded this way compared to center, and the opposite side was welded this way compared to center. But when everything is ground down, it just pops right in there, nice and flush. And then if you look at it from this side, same thing there. You've got that full taper and lip there seated inside this pocket, so it can't move at all. So now we're gonna install this one on this side. And so you have your jam nut loose here, so we can adjust the length of the arm. Just gonna pop that in there. Pop this one on this side. I'll put Loctite on this before I tighten it, but first I'm gonna get a good idea on how long the arm needs to be. So we've got that snugged up for the most part. And now we want our arm to sit right in this pocket here, and our bolt is gonna go right through the center here. So our arm will be most likely here in this spot. And then take our long bolt here, get that back into plate. We're gonna just line up this arm. And that is perfect alignment there, no resistance going onto this bolt. So I know I'm perfectly centered here and I have the right dimensions for the arm itself. Now if this was too short or too long, it would be very difficult to get this bolt in, and you would have the wrong suspension geometry, forcing the arm to be more rearward or more forward if this was incorrectly adjusted. So we're just gonna finish up the grinding on this side to get these bushings. So now this should go in. We're almost flush there, but we're hitting that center plate. I can feel it here. I'm hitting right here. So this pocket's not perfectly center, so we're just gonna bore this out slightly so we sit nice and flush inside that hole.
How you doing?
Now I just need to remove a little bit of material here. We're just taking a little bit of material away at a time.